Alright, boys and girls, this is lesson 36, problem set. Solve the sets. Cross off the 5 groups. Use the first number sentence to help you solve the next. So here's the sets. Here's your 5 groups. So 10 minus 9. You're going to use this to help you solve 10 minus 1. You can do it for number 2 and number 3. You're going to solve this first problem and then use that to help you. You're going to make sure you cross off all the 5 groups, okay? Numbers 4, 5, and 6, make a math drawing and solve. So you should have 2 math drawings, one for 10 minus 4, one for 10 minus 6. You have a math drawing here and a math drawing here. This one says subtract, then write the related subtraction sentence. Make a math drawing if needed and complete a number bond for each. Number bond must be completed. You can draw a picture if you need to. 10 minus 8, you're going to write the answer. And then your related subtraction sentence, remember your biggest number still has to go first, but you can subtract a different part to get the other part. So you're still using the same 3 numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 11, fill in the missing part. Write 2 matching subtraction sentences. So find the missing part and write 2 subtraction sentences for this number bond. And do that for this one, this one, this one, and this one. Remember, you should always subtract from your whole. Check your answers and sign up for a small group mini lesson if you need one.